I majored in information systems my junior year of college and decided to co-op with ERP Suites, and they kind of took me in. I didn't really know much about IT in general, and they kind of took that chance on me, and I really liked it because I had the ability to kind of choose the route that I wanted to take, and I ended up going with CNC, JD Edwards ERP systems, and I've been doing that ever since. I mean, I read a lot of books, of course, but I had a lot of really great mentors too. A lot of people that would sit down and show me things and teach me things, and if I didn't understand something, I mean, anybody is willing to sit down and go over anything with you. It's actually really humbling to feel like customers rely on me now, and I feel like I started at a point where I really didn't know much about JD Edwards or managed services in general, and I used to be this kind of little scared person that was shy and just felt like I couldn't get out of my shell. And I feel like now I am very confident in what I do, and I've learned so much along the way. It feels pretty good to have customers rely on me like that. It's a little scary sometimes, but to be where I'm at now and to feel confident in who I am, to know that I'm good at my job, I really feel like ERP Suites has pushed me to be that person that I am today. So.